high time frame, there's a clear defined area here to retest, right? If they don't do it, it is what it is. If they can't even pull price up to the 9, like I can't even find my way into that market. That's one of my things. Like the 9 EMA gets touched a lot. It gets retraced to a lot, and I don't want to get into a trade prior to that happening. If it happens all the time, it just makes sense. So something I wait for happens to be seated right there right now. This is taking a while. Okay, let's fast forward another 3 minutes. See where they are. Still here. Still here. So they can't get in the zone. And it looks like they're losing ground. How do I reset? So let's reset this. Let's 5x this. So again, I didn't even trade anymore at this point. So we're going to see it. This is me seeing the DOM here for the first time. And it looks like they're just building higher. They're building higher. Again, they're climbing up, climbing up. Still. So 9's here. The zone is here. Keep your eyes peeled. We're at 3x speed on the DOM now. Building higher, we get the idea. Let's clear the tape. We're in the zone. Let's clear the tape. New prints. There's the 9. And they're moving through, but we know where this is. This is a low volume spot. And they lose a bit of ground. Sure. Regain it, pushing higher. We lose it again. Let's get some new prints. All right, so now they're starting to wiggle down a lot more. We resetted the prints. Very little interest. Let's reference. Let's use that as a reference, right? Because if they fail this, again, you don't have to be perfectly seated at the top of anything. We already know. We'll say speculate. If they fail to get anything done in here, there's a new runway down all the way to 29K. It's a 250 point range. You don't have to be in all the way at the top, right? So now we're seeing them lose a lot of steam. These are really weak buy prints where they've bought for 2 minutes or so. Now they're building down here, right? And come up, trade it again. We know this is a build. This is important right here. This range has a build. We need to see them lose this downside before you can get short. And here they do, right? So you clear the tape, see what they do. Now they just start inching lower. Now you can literally sell this range. You can sell this range and put your stop up here and move down with the market. That's what I would be doing. Because as it moved back down, we saw where it was building now, where things are getting crucial. Right? And if you have a footprint, you can see, well, on this bar, majority is up here. And they're offsides now. So the same way you can see consolidation get lost on the DOM volume or in the volume profile, you can see it on this 5-minute footprint as well. Unrewarded, and they lost that ground. And if you're playing for the short side, this is where you want to see failure to bid. And if you see that here, you've got the runway down, right? Long story short, everyone knows what happens, right? If you were selling that range, I think you get filled right here. This little pop up, and you're rich. Nothing fancy. Literally, guys, this is what I'm doing. Nothing more than this. Look at the order flow. Let it tell you the context. Who's where? All right, what's happening to them now? Now it's like, all right, I think I want to deal this range, short or long. The market picks you up, great, good luck. If it doesn't, hey, there's going to be another setup, right? This is all just one day. And yeah, if you were patient, right, and you put the limits there, this for sure fills you. And you take very little heat, off to the races, whatever, yada, yada. Market continues to die. Really nasty death. Moving through the range, and the edge of this runway now is 29K. And there you go, a runway through the zone. Fail to regain this, up to this zone again, new runway through it. Is it always this extreme? No, this is like an extreme amount of points of a range. But the volume profile is the same. It's fractal. It doesn't have